These are oysters. Fresh oysters.
Masala.
This is the masala that mom has made.
Nadar masala it is.
What does it include?
Special nadar masala. पडणार आहे खाली ते.
Special nadar masala it is.
And coconut.
And coconut added.
And onions. And onions fried.
And onion.
Potatoes.
These are potatoes. Cut potatoes. Cut onions. Oil. 3 tablespoon oil. Onion. We are making oyster potato curry. Salt for taste. Onions. Cut tomatoes.
Cutting the tomato.
3 tomatoes. Sorry, 2 tomatoes, not 3 tomatoes.
Let the masala to cool.
Let the masala be kept for cooling. Add salt to taste.
Curry patta.
Add some curry patta. Potatoes. Put oysters. Keep it on low flame now. Keep it for boiling for 20 minutes. Medium flame. Put it for grinding the dried masala, cool masala, which includes onion, nadar masala, coconut, and garlic. Put it in a mixer to grind. This is the grinded masala. Potatoes are almost done. And
how
now
to check it? See.
Yeah, it's boiled.
Now we are going to put the
masala.
लोग आले हे तिला तिथे आलेच तर
Oyster curry ready.
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು
50
5
with potato.
till it boils.
Let it boil for 5 minutes more.
The masala should boil.
Okay.
It's nice. नंतर ते कढी एका प्लेटमध्ये घालून
To boil
is good. It's very nice. let it come to boil. Then we will, then the curry will, 5 minutes, yeah.
Okay.
Low
Then
flame.
set
let it
the
boil. Yes. We'll keep it on a medium flame.
medium flame.
As it is a mud vessel, do it on a high flame on gas. So you have to keep it on a medium.
Low flame.
Yeah.
Let it be for 5 minutes, right?
Yeah. And pause now.
When it boils,
It's ready.
it's ready. Yeah. The potato oyster curry is ready. You can see it. Potato oyster curry.